Hi, beautiful people. If you want to see how I achieve this coily L style, please keep watching. Do not skip. Watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any single step of doing this lovely jerry coil. Let's jump into the tutorial. This is the natural hair that I'll be doing. So, guys, and let me show you the products I'll be using to achieve it. This is Series Cold Wave Cream. This one in my hand is called Booster. We have neutralizer, glove, and the rods that I'll be using to roll the hair. This is the pin. I love using this pin because I don't want to get disappointed. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial. First thing you need to do if you're about to achieve this coily hair, make sure you wash the hair. Wash it with shampoo. Do not use conditioner. Yes guys, after washing it, you go ahead and start applying the cold wave relaxer on the hair. I mean cold wave cream. So make sure you apply it thoroughly. As you are applying it, you massage it. So after applying it, you make sure you comb it with your big comb. Then you go ahead and comb it with your small comb, just to make sure the cold wave cream penetrates into the natural hair very well. So as you're combing it, that shows you want to achieve a good result. So guys, this is how you apply the relaxer. Just watch carefully, do not skip. So after applying it, you comb out the first cold wave relaxer. After combing it out, you apply new one, I mean the fresh one. Then you cover it up with shower cap. As you can see, I use two shower cap to cover it. Then I use my towel to cover it as well. Then you leave it for like 1 hour, depend on your client's hair, either 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. After that, you go ahead and wash it out with lukewarm water. So here right now, I've done with the washing, and this is the hair. You comb it out very well. So guys, we are about to roll the hair. So this is the coil booster I'm applying to the hair. As you can see, if you want a better result, make sure you apply enough coil booster. Sorry guys, make sure you apply it. As you apply it, make sure you massage it so that it will penetrate from the roots of the hair. So after that, you go ahead and you begin to roll the hair. Can you see? So as you're rolling it, you apply the coil booster. Welcome back to my channel once again, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if today is the first time watching any of my video, that means you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. Without you guys, there's nothing like Queen Aniki. Thank you. I do appreciate every one of you. So guys, this is how I keep rolling this lovely jerry coil. Do you know what? Some people don't actually know how to use this series cold wave relaxer. I mean the cold wave cream. They don't know how to use it. Some people will say, Queen Aniki, I've tried so many times. It's not giving me the result I want. It's not coming out. The coil is not coming out. I say, do you follow the steps that you're supposed to follow? So if you don't know how to use this particular product, I mean series cold wave cream, so you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't just forward the video, so that you will not miss any single step of doing this lovely jerry coil. Some people don't know you can actually use this series and you can achieve a better coils with it, because most people don't follow the procedure. They keep doing what they are not supposed to do. At the end of it, they will get disappointed. So just follow this method and try this method. Let me know when you are done with your own processing. So guys, this is how I keep doing this lovely cherry coil. I keep rolling it. So after rolling it with the rod, I use the strap to hold it. After holding it to make it firm, then I go ahead and use my setting pin as well to hold it, so that it will make it firm from the root. I don't want to get disappointed. Like, so after rolling it, this is me trying to put small coil booster inside the spray bottle. Then after putting it there, I dilute it with small water. Like, you don't have to put much water. Then you shake it very well to mix it up with the coil booster. After mixing it, you go ahead and you spray it all over the rolled hair. Can you see? Make sure the ones you are spraying get to the roots of the hair. So after that, guys, make sure you spray it all over the hair. So after that, you go ahead and you cover it again. Can you also the process? So you cover it again for like 1 hour, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. After that, you go ahead and you use your lukewarm water to wash it out. So here I'm trying to dilute the water. The water must not be too hot. Make sure it's lukewarm water to take out the chemical away. Can you see, guys? So after that, you just go ahead and you remove the shower cap. Then you use your lukewarm water to rinse it out. At this point, you are not applying any shampoo. All what you have to do is just to use water to rinse it out. Take your time. Make sure the water get to the roots very well, all over the road hair. Make sure you rinse it out. So guys, after that, after rinsing it out, then this is where you are to use neutralizer. Yes. So some people don't know what neutralizer does to the hair. Neutralizer used to detect chemical. So this neutralizing that I'm using now, this neutralizer that I'm trying to apply to the hair, it will help to detect the chemicals inside the hair. So after applying it, you cover it up for like 10 to 15 more minutes. Then you rinse totally. Then after rinsing it, you go ahead and use your towel to towel dry it. Make sure you dry it very well. Then after drying it, you go ahead and you begin to unravel the rollers. So as you are removing the rollers, you use your scissors to trim some part of the tips of the hair. Like, if you don't really want it long, you can cut as much as you can. But if your clients want it long, you are just trimming the tip of the hair. So that's all about this lovely cherry curl. Please let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy watching this video, and if this video is helpful to you guys, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family, leave a comment in the comment section. And for those of you that have any else in mind that you want me to do tutorial, let me know, then I'll be glad to upload your request. So after removing the rollers, this is where you are going to apply your activator. You can use any of your favorite activator, but this particular product, I'm using just series products, from the cold wave cream to the activator, the booster, the coil booster, the neutralizer. I use series products all through. So after applying the activator, you go ahead and use your hand to massage it a bit. Then you use your comb. So if you are using comb to comb it out, you don't use a smaller comb, use a wider comb. You can use the type of the comb that I'm using. So this is the type of comb you are using to comb it out. You use it to pick it, just to arrange the coils very well. Can you see, guys? So after arranging it, if you go ahead and you style the hair, and that's all about this lovely cherry coil. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys love this cherry coil. And guys, see the final results. The final result is giving. Yeah, it's really giving. Can you see? My clients actually love this cherry coil. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.